Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up your Gmail to go with our company. You're going to go into the top right corner and click Gmail. If you're already logged in, click the down arrow and click Use Another Account. Then you want to go to Create an Account and go ahead and enter in your first name, your last name, and your username. Now what's special about this is since it's going to be easy for sharing files with you, we want you to create your username with your first name, your last initial, a period, and then cmbuysHouses@gmail.com. Use a password you're comfortable with and that you'll be able to remember. Click Next. Enter in your phone number. Make sure it's the one that you're active with, and if you get signed out, this will be your backup and this will be how you get back in. Google's going to send you a text. It's going to include a little code, validation code, so check your phone, enter in the code, and click Verify. They're going to ask you for your birth date and your gender and a recovery email address. Now here, since I'm creating a brand new account, I don't have a recovery email address, but it would be smart if you use the one you use currently if you already have an email address. That way, if you ever get logged out, you have a way to get back in. You can skip this step. They're just asking for more permissions with your phone number. Scroll all the way down to the privacy and terms, and I agree will pop up. You want to press that. Let it load. It's actually creating your email account right now. Now the reason we're doing this is so that we can share information into your Google Drive so that you can access the videos and other files necessary to work with our company. Going through our program, you'll be using Google Drive a lot. So from your Gmail page, you can go straight up to the drop-down menu, click Google Drive, and that will take you where you need to go.